A very good afternoon, viewers and listeners. Masquerade. So we are talking about important matters each and every day and each and every time. Our mission is to make sure that our communities are enlightened, especially on important matters. How governance is being done. If you look on the first videos we made on this platform, we explained the roles and the functions of a central government, and our mission was to enlighten the people of Zimbabwe so that they know the responsibilities of a government. So ZANU-PF supporters, they always support ZANU-PF, but they do so turning a blind eye. The reason why I'm saying so is because if you are to look on this picture, you will see a ZANU-PF supporter and you see a ZANU-PF leader. This is a clear example. Here, as you can see right here, where there is a pointer here on the screen, this is a ZANU-PF supporter who is doing pfumvudza achirwa makomba dhiga udye yaka yaka urimo mundima uchiswera zuva rese uchinamana nemukadzi muchimhanyisana mumunda uchiti mukadzi wako isimbe chichi. But if you look on the other frame here, pandaisa point up right now, there's a John Deere tractor iripo ndeyemadhara ndeyevakuru vakuru ivo vane zvikundla nezvigaro, ndofuti vanhu vari kurima soya ivavavo, nyika ichiramba ichifa nenzara, nyika ichiramba ichitambura nenhamo. So you see the difference. Mwana wemunhu weZANU-PF, a leader of ZANU-PF, anenge achienjoya aJohn Deere, achiona vachiita sei, vachitamba vari kumunda vachiita sei, achiona that John Deere iwo mwana wako mutabhaiki chaichai haizive. That is the kind of situation we are exposed to. So in this day and era where there is technology, ZANU-PF is still subjecting its people to pfumvudza, to dig a udye, where you have to dig for you to be able to eat. And that is not so proper. Even the latest technologies, the pfumvudza, the kushandisa zvima machines, they don't want to implement it. They don't want to introduce it to their own people. But they will come and tell us gates and everything else, but kurima vasati vatombogona, vanhu vasati vatombogona kuzviripira chikafu chavo, vanhu vane nzara. So unoisira vanhu vane nzara magetsi, vanhu vasingatogoni kutenga chikafu vaisira magetsi, vanotenga sei? Magetsi acho vanomabhadhara sei? Number one. Number two, zviri kushandisa pamagetsi acho vanozvitenga sei? Ivo mbudzi chaidzo havatorina. So you see, ZANU-PF, the way ZANU-PF people think, you will see there is need for us to educate them. There is need for us to actually sit down with them, talk to them. This picture, as you can see right on the screen, as for me, I'm not happy with such a picture. Ekuti will say things are working, while list so this is it in Zimbabwe. This is the reality of things. This is what is really happening. Munhu ari kuenda kunovhota, ari kunzi rwa makomba, abenefita from the vote, ari kudriver zimotikari rake zihombe GD6, zvine kudriver from the MPs, maToyota Fortuners, maLand Rover, V8 engines. You see kuti fuel yaanongodira a month inotenga Honda Fit. So that is the same person anenge achikudza kuti rwai makomba. After that they will come nekapi yembeu, vobva vakupa kapi yembeu ne5 liters yefertilizer, and they expect kuti unge uchikohwa. Imwe fertilizer yese inobva yaroverwa pamupinyi nanamukoma, voenda futi nemari yacho vonoita chihure. So you wonder what kind of leaders we have. But I don't know. The ball is in your court. I don't want to judge you. Tell me what you think about this kind of behavior in ZANU-PF. Let us enlighten each other, but to vote smart agriculture. President Nelson Chamisa always speaks about smart agriculture, where we are going to use farm mechanization, which is serious and which is rampant. Each and every area, it must have irrigation schemes. There is viable. It must have road networks are viable, also the markets. So when we are doing farming, we need to make sure, number one, we have done farm mechanization, which is proper. Number two, the market, GMB, DMB, CSC, all those parastatals should be functioning by the time we are now doing production, which means if you are in poultry production, and you have the market CSC which is functional, then you go to if you are in dairy, we have a DMB which is functional as well. If you go to GMB, we have a GMB which is functional. Uchingobisa zvinhu zvako obva utobhadharwa, uchingonosiya zvinhu zvako you are credited there and there because everything is automated. That is under advocate Nelson Chamisa's leadership and presidency. So you see you have a visionary, a man, the vision. So everything will be integrated. Iwewe as a farmer, uchingodeliver chete, automatically you get an alert kubank account kwako kuti somebody adeliver zvakati nezvakati and the value is so you see kuti mafarmers edu they will begin kukura kutanga kuita zvinhu zvakanaka. And we have anonzi ma-extension workers aya vana mudhumeni, we have a lot of them here in Zimbabwe, and under advocate Nelson Chamisa vana mudhumeni vavavo they will be stationed in the communities, helping the communities, assisting the communities. Paita zvirwere zvemombe, like right now here in Zimbabwe, paita zvirwere zvemombe zvakasiyana siyana, but the extension workers are nowhere to be found, the veterinary department is nowhere to be found. But under advocate Nelson Chamisa we have a functional veterinary service department yekuti pangoita chirwere kumombe chete, you will see team revet richitosvika together with the extension workers there and there. If you just bring an SOS, mishonga yakutouya vanhu vakutoona kuti which kind of disease is this one, zvakutotanga kutorapwa before zvaspread to other crops and to other areas, and we will make sure that we preserve value and wealth. So you see kuti also kuma-crops zvinhu zvese zvinenge zvifamba zvakadi zvakanaka. That is under advocate Nelson Chamisa. So for the people who are asking kuti vision yapresident Nelson Chamisa yambomira sei, this is a simple vision yekuti anybody, mwana wegrade 2 can understand the vision yapresident Nelson Chamisa. Vana vanenge vachienda kuchikoro mahara, vana vanenge vachimwa tii kuchikoro. That is viable and that is practical. I am telling you from experience kuti panotodyiwa break ne-lunch pachikoro chaipo, and people would wonder kuti zvinenge zvichiitwa. So if you go to other countries like China, you will see kuti young kids vanotori ku-primary level, secondary level, they are more productive and zvinenge zvinhu zvichifamba. And if we are to make our kids more productive as well, you see that they will enjoy going to school because zvavanenge vachidzidzira ndizvo zvinhu zvinenge zvichivabatsira izvozvo. We cannot have a country inoimporta macar charger, inoimporta mapower bank, inoimporta zvese, isina vana vari kuprimary, isina vana vari kusecondary. What are they doing? Those are things zvinofanira kunge zvichitoitwa nevana vari kuprimary, vachidzidza vachiita ma-researches and making sure kuti they are working on tech. So I want to give you another example. There is a moment where President Emerson Mnangagwa announced that they were opening chingia meno chekugadzira ma-computers, chekuassembla ma-computers rather. But in a few weeks ago, Parliament iri kupomerwa mhaka yekuba mari yakati wandei zvikuru kwazvo mushure mekunge vabhadhara the procurement yema-laptops from a private company. Yet we have a state-sponsored institution iri kufanira kunge ichiproduce ma-computers and ma-laptops. Why is it that they are failing to provide such laptops to the government of the Republic of Zimbabwe? Those are the questions. So when we are talking about these things from agriculture to tech, everything, you will see that we don't have a serious government, we don't have serious people, because zvinhu zvakaita sema-computers zvinhu zvokuti zvingadai zvichitosupplyiwa by those companies kana institutions dzavanenge vachitaura idzodzo, but they are failing to do so. So this is my take, Team Zimbabwe. I don't know what you think in the comment section. Let us have a discussion. What do you think about Pumvudza? What do you think about what ZANU-PF is doing? Kuti masupporters munoenda munoratiga udye, varamukoma ndo vanenge vachirova maJohn Diri. I don't know. In the comment section, let us talk. Please tell me your views. Tell me your thoughts. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Let us meet in other episodes and other programs.